These are the directions to complete your Countries of the World project, which is your first summative assessment, counts as a major assignment grade worth 70% of your grade. I'm going to go through the steps for how I want you to complete this, and then you have the entire week to get it done. That means they're due this Friday by 10 p.m. You're going to click on the assignment. We practice doing this in class. So for you guys, it's going to say my document. I'm going to open up right here. I already have this open, so I'm going to go and walk through this with you. So all your directions are here on this slide as always, right? Just go through step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is pick a country from one of these websites. I provided you with two. They both list all the countries in the world, but some of them, this one is a little bit more detailed. So if you like this one, you can go ahead and pick a country from here, or you can use this other website, which is a little bit more simplified. You can use this one. So I'm going to pick my country. As I'm scrolling through, I'm seeing something that stands out to me. I'm going to pick Peru. So Peru is my country. I can actually click on that, and this will take me to a little bit of information about it. But for right now, I want to go back to my slides, and I've chosen Peru. So I can go ahead and fill that in, and I'm going to fill in my name. All right, so now you're going to move into actually completing the project. All of your slides are here for you. That means this tells you every single thing I want you to find about your country. So I'm having you address different areas, things like economy, geography, basic facts, history, etc. It looks like a lot, but if you're using these questions to guide your research, it should be pretty clear for you. You're going to go on to step 2 in your direction. So it says complete each research question on the following slides. Use Google to search information about your country to answer each question. So I'm going to go to this first slide here, starting with basic facts. So what is your country's name? I don't need to do research for that because I already found it, right? It's Peru. How did my country get its name? So this is where I want to go to Google, right? I'm going to type in, how did Peru get its name? Now, some of these questions, you may not find every single answer, but right here I see the name Peru is derived. Okay, so I'm going to click on the link. I have to go out to the website to find where this is from. So it's going to take me to an article, right? So I want to scroll down until I find the answer to this question. I see there's some videos here I may want to watch. That's great. This looks like a great site that might provide me with a lot of information. I see here that my question is actually highlighted for me. So the name Peru is derived from a Kanakwa Indian word, implying land of abundance, a reference to the economic wealth produced by the rich and highly organized Inca civilizations that ruled the regions for centuries. This is a lot here. I want to do my best to say this in my own words. So I'm just going to say it is derived right here from this word implying land of abundance. So I'm going to go back to my slide, and I'm going to delete the question and say the name is derived from a, and I don't know how to spell this, so I'm going to go back, make sure I get it right, Quechua Indian word meaning land of abundance. So that is going to take a moment to load. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go on to my next question. So what is the capital? I can probably use this same article here. So as I'm looking, right, this gives me a lot of information over here. I can look up what is the capital. Let's see if there's anything provided here for me to find. If I can't find anything, I can go back to Google, but first I want to make sure that I copy this link. I want to make sure I save it. So I'm going to copy that and drag it back into my slide because I need to provide the names of the websites that I used. So I can go ahead and put that here so that I remember that I used it. So I'm going to go back and find what is the capital of Peru and see what website I find. Same website here. Okay, so it looks like Lima is the capital of Peru. Yep, found this here, so I can go back to my slide, fill that in. I got this from the same website, so I don't need to provide another web link. So once I've done that, right, I'm going to pause this video here, but basically I'm going to fill in all the answers to these questions. And then in the second video, I'm going to show you how I want you to format this. So big idea, right, is that you're answering each of the questions, you're deleting them, putting in your answer, and then saving the links you find down here so that you cite your source.